Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the PDQ Laserwash 360 car wash at Adventure Car Wash in Hickory Creek, Texas, which is the Hickory Creek site, even though there's another Adventure Car Wash in Justin, Texas.
Really?
Yeah, there's two locations for Adventure Car Wash and they're both touchless.
Oh, wow. Didn't we come here before?
And it was broke one time. Now the cones are out of the way. It looks like we're gonna have to wait behind somebody.
Okay, soft touch or touch free?
Right, we ain't going to soft touch because we're in the Tesla.
Okay.
So it seems like, okay, so let's see how much the top wash is. Okay, $12.
$12.
Please insert payment now. When the wash is ready, please move forward into the wash.
And we'll put it right here.
You put that in your pocket.
Yeah.
Center vehicle. Oh, center vehicle between yellow lines. Folding mirrors. Ooh, you're supposed to fold in your mirrors. Okay. Can you do that? Fold in the mirrors.
Yeah.
Remove hitch. Trailer hitch. Any other instructions?
I'll show you the instructions real quick.
Remove all antennas and retract all mirrors before entering car wash. We're not liable for any damage to antennas or side mirrors. Ooh. Warning.
Yeah.
Did you put the mirror in?
Yeah. So they said fold in mirrors.
They don't go in by themselves, do they?
No, we just gotta fold it in to the screen.
Sanitize daily. Do we believe that?
Hold on, I'm gonna show you what it says
Right there.
on the pay station.
Sanitize daily. Do
It's
we
kind of hard
believe
for y'all
that?
to read it, but it says sanitize date only. Daily,
Sanitize
actually.
daily,
It
yeah.
almost said only, but it's kind of hard to read.
Sanitize daily. I don't believe it. Do you?
No, not really, because we're not here daily.
What is that? Wait a minute. Is that like a sanitizing station right there? Right there? You see the little blue thing?
The blue letter
No,
looks like,
it's like a blue dispenser.
yeah,
Maybe sanitizer?
web restaurant store.
Maybe they give you something to sanitize your hands with after you touch all that stuff, you know?
Okay, and there's the assistance door right
God,
there.
this is a really long car wash, huh?
Yeah, looks like they're on the spot free rents.
We've been parked behind him for a little while now.
Yeah.
Ooh, look. That's neat. Look at that.
Hold on, I'll show this to you.
Oh, that is so cool. Let's see.
Yeah, wait until the arrow goes on.
Okay, I'm in drive. Okay.
That means we can go in now.
Okay, why is she screaming?
Are you talking about the pay station?
Scared.
And the dryers are standing outside.
That's really scary.
You can pull into this while they're drying through the dryers.
There we go.
Okay, hold on. You remember one time when this wash was broken and then we went to Aubrey? Like we went through that Blue Star car and pet wash. Oh, let's pull up the camera back here. Oh, there's a truck behind us too. A truck.
Really? Yeah, fit.
Yeah.
Ooh, they got a lot of soap here.
Yeah. Looks like it did the roof pretty good. Like covered the roof. You see that? The roof?
Mm-hmm. Wow. Since this car is white and has all this white soap on it, I bet they can't even see it. So we're invisible.
Yeah.
It's like an invisible cloak.
Yeah. And even though it's dripping back here.
Yeah, it didn't hit the camera though, huh?
Right. That's something that it needs to do.
Yeah, little colors up there.
Yeah.
Like flashing rainbows.
Yeah.
Up there.
Oh wow, the arm is doing good at profiling. It seems like it looks pretty clear to leave the mirrors out, but we're just gonna follow the rules.
Yeah, we'll follow the rules.
Yeah. It still looks pretty clear to leave the mirrors out.
Just for this car, maybe.
Yeah.
Ooh, I have a headache. Ah, the dryers are totally detached.
Yeah, and they're outside.
It's kind of neat.
So that means when we go to the dryers, we're gonna have to drive right up outside to the dryer. Look at these lights on the
Oh, wow. It's like strobe lights. It's like party lights, you know?
yeah. Looks like it's still saying cleaning. That's a pretty good coverage.
Great.
Is this another pre-soak? It seems like it to me. Still hasn't hit that camera, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Still pretty clear to leave the mirrors out, even though we still can't.
We're not going to, are we?
Right. I'm saying like for the right side. Okay, now it's saying polishing.
It's a long wash. Maybe you took the other car to the wrong wash. This should have been the wash.
Right. But we just haven't been here and that's all. Oh, here's the soap. Look at the roof.
Wow.
It's nice. Oh, look at the camera. It seems like it's covering it up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that one covered up the camera. Okay, look at the roof again. It's still spraying something.
Wow.
And now we gotta look at the roof again. It's gonna spray from the top. Looks like it's saying service protectant.
So what is that again?
Service protectant.
Okay.
Spot free rents now. Looks like it's gonna spray from the arm.
How much we pay for this?
$12.
Not bad. I mean, it's been working on this car for a long time.
Yeah.
So we gotta pull out and actually look. Right.
Yeah. Like should we look in the should we look in the parking lot just to see how clean it is? Just to see if it got clean. Looks like we're gonna have to go outside to the dryer.
Oh, is it time?
Yeah, pull
Okay.
outside to the dryer.
Oh gosh, I'm wasting time.
Oh, 78 seconds, so we got plenty of time. So we gotta go up to it.
Okay.
And look at the top dryer. It's going left and right. Look at that. Look on top.
Oh, cool.
That means it can dry. It can profile the car pretty good at drying. And we'll look up at the roof. You see that on the roof?
Yeah.
It's going left and right. Wait, did the wipers turn on by itself?
Yeah.
I think it did that just to wipe the water off. Oh wow, those are pretty good dryers.
Never go back.
Like you're gonna back up?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't try this at home, y'all. But we're doing this.
Yeah, I'm going forward. Yay. 19 seconds, man.
Yep, 15 seconds.
15. I'm going back.
Yep, for a little bit. 5 seconds. We're gonna do 5 seconds of those.
There we go.
Now let's pull over to a parking lot and take a look.
Like you can only go one way out, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at the vehicle. And even though next door to the 360 there's a Tandem Surfline, which is a touch bay.
Here we go. Take a look.
Not gonna show you the license plate. But seems pretty clean though. To me.
Didn't take out the bud.
Right, off the windshield, but still there's buds on the front. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye, YouTubers. This was a PDQ Laserwash 360 Plus car wash at the Adventure Car Wash. Bye. Say bye.